Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jojo and today marks the last day of the Christmas giveaways. Today is day 12 of the Christmas giveaways and I'm so excited. It's been a long but a wonderful journey, and I thought of doing the giveaways as a way of giving back to you for your support for this little community that we have built. And I didn't know how else to give back. I know I cannot give back to everyone, but I thought maybe doing the giveaways would be like a representation of thanking you for the support that you guys have given me all this time since I started my channel. And after I started doing the live shopping, you guys have been so amazing and so supportive. And the giveaways were a little way of me saying thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for being here, for being a lovely and a wonderful community. I could not ask for any other community. Thank you so much guys for the support. Thank you so much for being here. And the year has been a rocky one, but I thought that we could end it with a little cheer. At least I can put a smile on someone's face by having the giveaways. And today we are lucky to have two sponsors of the video. So our first sponsor is Thriftsenfinds. They are a page on IG. They do sell thrifted and very unique home decor items. And then the other sponsor is Gotohomecollections. So they do sell thrifted carpet, curtains, bedding and all that. So without wasting more time, let me show you what our sponsors do stock, and at the end of the video I'll be telling you what is in store for the giveaway. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So our first sponsor is Thriftsenfinds. So they do sell thrifted items, and I love the way that they style their items. The items are so unique and so beautiful, and the price point, my friend, it's so good. So I'll take you through and you can see what items that they have. You can see that there's a decorative tray over here. How beautiful are these wine glasses that have like bubbles inside? So these are very beautiful. And we have this diffuser bottle with a flower on top. This is so unique. We do have a set, a soap dispenser, and a toothbrush container. Hey, look at this teapot set. It's so unique and so beautiful. So as you can tell from their page, they do have very unique items. And what I love about their page is they give you ideas on how you can sell a particular item that you buy from them. So if you're not sure exactly how you're supposed to sell a particular item, you can definitely ask them for advice and they will do just that. And you can see the kind of stuff that they do stock. So beautiful. So in a nutshell, this is their page and what they do have. For this giveaway, they are giving away this green and brown ceramic flower vase. It's so beautiful. You can see how it has been styled using these flowers. Hey, this is beautiful. This is so nice. So if you'd love to get this ceramic flower vase, kindly make sure you do comment down in the comment section below that you're interested in this particular flower vase, and I'll be announcing the winner tomorrow morning. So let's go to our next sponsor, who is Gotohomecollections. So they do sell trendy, unique and affordable home collection. So they have bedding, they do have carpets and curtains. So as you can tell from their page, these are the items that they are selling. And if you're into the matching bed sheets, you can definitely get that from them. You can also get bed sheets for your kids' beds. So they do have different animations. So as you can see, depending on what your child likes, you can get quite a variety from them. So we have the Hello Kitties. So all these are bed sheets. You can tell from their shelf they do have quite a number. And we have some throw blankets. So at least these ones do help a lot when you put them right next to your couch and you're feeling cold. You don't have to keep on waking up and going to the bedroom to get yourself some blankets. So you can have this, and they are colored and they are very nice, so you can use this. You can style them on your seats. So as you can see, they do have a variety to choose from. So boys are lucky. We have the Star Wars bed sheets. They do have a variety, so you can tell this is how their shop is. It is well stocked. Yeah, so for this giveaway, if you're interested in having a carpet or a bed sheet, you can comment down below in the comment section below, and we will be choosing one lucky person tomorrow morning. And for their giveaway, they are surprising one of you with either a carpet or a bed sheet. So make sure you comment down below so that at least you enter the giveaway, and the winner will be announced tomorrow. So thank you so much for being here, for the support, for taking this journey with me. I do appreciate it so much, and may God bless you, and I wish you a happy new year 2021. May it come with blessings, joy, and may this be your year. May it be a greater year for every one of you. So that is it for this year, this video and the giveaways, and I will be seeing you next year, God willing. And I have a lot in store for you, so I guess I'll see you guys next year. Happy New Year. Bye.